In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Canva on your laptop. First of all, click on Windows Start menu and then search Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store. At the top here you see Microsoft Store search bar. Search Canva. At the left side here is Canva application. Click on that. To download and install Canva on your laptop, click on Install. Please wait a few moments to download and install Canva on your laptop. Once installed done, click on Windows Start menu and then search Canva. Open the Canva application. To use Canva application, click on Login through your browser and then log in using your login credential. If you don't have any account in Canva, just create an account. It's totally free. In this easy way, you can install Canva on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.